Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie and today we're going to prep for the cash stuffing. So let's first go through and look at the bills in my budget. Let's see. What month is it? What's happening? Alright, it is August 1st today, but we need to mark off that everything in July was paid. Alright, we've already paid the Amazon Prime, half the house was paid, the HOA, the IRA, and all of this will be paid with the next check. Okay, cool. So, for 26 weeks, I have chosen to do 4. So I'm going to color in my 4 piggy. And on my denomination breakdown for 26 weeks, I'm going to put 4, save the date. Today is the 1st, so we just need $1. 4 of these for $4. Now for gas, I'm going to need 2 20s and a 5 for $45. Alright, for groceries, we're going to do 50, which will be one $50 bill. Dining out gets nothing. Shopping is going to get a little extra because we have a TJ Maxx that will be opening on the 10th of August, and I'm going shopping. Okay? Alrighty then. Shopping will be getting 75. 50. 75. And my buffer, as always, will get a 5 and 5 ones for $10. Today's low is, and I'm going to pay these on my next paycheck because I don't have it in this check. My next check will have overtime and I'll be able to do more. What? Phone. Okay, phone is charging. Hold please. Alright, so June 1st, the low was 46. I did not stuff that because I was on vacation, so I owe you 46 for that. And then today, August 1st, our low was 66. The high is like in the 70s. Fabulous. Because we've just been through a heat wave. Alright, so we'll need a 50, a 60, a 5, and a 1 for 66, but we're not doing that on this check because we can't afford it. We'll see if we can. Alright, so we are going to stuff this and this. So let me add that up so we know how much cash we need. 90, 75, 10. 90 plus 75 plus 10 plus 5 equals 180. 180. Okay, so then I need 1 250s, 2 3 20s, 1 2 3 3 5s, and 5 6 10 1s. Let's make sure that adds up. 2 times 5 is 100. 100 plus, okay, well, helps if you clear it. 2 times 3 is 60 plus 5, 10, 15, 25 is 185. 185! So let's see if we can add 45 plus 50 plus 75 plus 10 plus 5 is 185. I didn't do something up there right. 185. Okay? So then what I do is I come over to here and I say 2 50s, 3 20s, 3 5s, 10 1s, 2 times 5 is 100, 60, 15, 10, 185. So I will go to the bank and pick that up, and then tomorrow we will come back and do the cash stuffing. For now, I'm going to put this into, well, I'd like to, but we don't know what we've done with anything. We're slightly losing our mind this morning. Where did it go? Let me find it. Okay, so I took a dollar store makeup bag years ago when these first came out and took my Cricut and made this, ironed it on. It's my bank bag. It's worn and tattered and been well loved. I'm going to put this down in it, and then I'll take that to the bank to get the cash. Now, while we're waiting for that to be done, I want to take my coin jar that is almost all the way full. I think we're at, I don't know, $98, $99. Wait, I don't remember. And we're going to take this week's change from cash spending and put that into the jar. Let's see where we are. $101.54. Had a lot of change this week. All right, grand total is $105.49. Money, money, money. I love the sound of money. It's real heavy, y'all. Oh, good Lord, that's heavy. So, I've been saving this since January of 2024, and when I withdraw my cash, I take that cash, and when I want to buy groceries or when I want to stop by Ollie's and get a paper pad for $1.99 or go by TJ Maxx and buy a new top, I use cash. And then the change that I get automatically from whatever sale I've made or purchased goes into here. I don't touch this, and then at the end of 2 weeks I come in and stuff this. So it's taken me a year and a half, a little over a year and a half, to get to $100. All right, we're going to keep going till it's filled to the brim, because I am interested to know how long it takes and how much it takes to get filled to the brim. So I'm going to put this back. Okay. And I decided that the 4 is the number that we're going to stuff for the 26 weeks for this week. So I have that up front. And here I have my save the date. We'll be adding to that. And here I have my weather, which I already owe 46. Then we'll do another 66 on the next paycheck. Grooming, car maintenance, vacation. One day I'll get to 500 in one of these envelopes and I can use my placeholder that I made. Yay! In here is Christmas plants. I wiped that out. I did go plant shopping. You've seen that video where I got the blue oil fern, and it is fabulous. The dog's vet visits. I purchased this off of Etsy, these books. I've been looking for ones like these forever. Yeah, see, this is just extra stuff, and I just can't, I don't have the money yet. I don't make enough money to do the little extras, because I'm still trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So now is a great time to let you know that if you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, please. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload. Alright guys, thanks so much for joining me for this cash stuffing prep video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Again, give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how your savings challenges are going. And I'll see you tomorrow for the cash stuffing. Bye.